WION's principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal from New Delhi. Good evening to you, Siddhant. Now, the Nepalese government has handed over Dimash to the Indian envoy, raising strong objections to this link road over territorial claims. What are the latest updates you have?
Well, yes, Alison, on the onset, I would like to tell that the relationship between India and Nepal have been good. It is known as Roti Beti Ka Rishta, or familial ties between both the countries. And also when it comes to the border, 99% of India-Nepal border has been clear-cut defined. And this issue, it's not just 2 or 3 days old, it's 200 years old. In fact, after the British and the Nepalese war in 1850, a treaty was signed under which the current borders of Nepal were defined. But few regions were in terms of Kathmandu's eyes were not defined, and the latest diplomatic row which has broken is primarily, as you mentioned, is because of India inaugurating a road which passes through Lippu Lake, which India says is its territory, and it has been its territory since its independence, but Nepal says it's not still defined. And we have seen over last 2 days a lot of diplomatic activities. The Nepalese government had issued a statement, and then of course the party from which the Nepali Prime Minister belongs, the Nepal Communist Party, also issued a statement. Thereafter today we saw the Indian envoy being summoned. New Delhi has reacted only once in a statement. It said that the territory is Indian territory, but Nepal wants a foreign secretary level talks to decide on the border issue. Of course, the current row comes at a time when we have seen increased Chinese influence in Kathmandu. We know that there is a hint of Chinese influence in the current row as well. And the first time Nepal raised about these border issues was after India issued its new map after we know the bifurcation of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. That is something that started the entire diplomatic row, and now it has seen intensification, especially after past 3 days. What will be the next course of action depends on New Delhi, whether it would like to have a foreign secretary level talks on the border issues, and if it agrees to, when will it happen? Will it happen in few days from now? Because this is something that has been talked for last 6 to 8 months, but there hasn't been any meeting that has taken place.
Siddhant, thank you very much for that report. Our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, bringing us the latest on the Lippu Lake path.